Are you ready for a journey through time? In this video, we'll take you on an exciting adventure across different eras, from ancient civilizations to the future. This is a perfect way to improve your English listening skills in a fun and immersive way. How to get the most out of this? Wear your headphones, close your eyes, and focus on the sounds. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain is learning. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to English with Ran for more exciting listening practice and English learning content. Ready? Let's begin our journey through time. The Mysterious Awakening. John opens his eyes. The room is dark and silent. He doesn't know where he is. He stands up and looks around. The walls are made of stone, and there is a large wooden door in front of him. Suddenly, he hears a voice. "Welcome, traveler. You're about to begin a journey through time." John is confused. "Who's there?" he asks. But no one answers. The door slowly opens by itself, and John steps forward. As he walks through the door, everything around him changes. The air feels different. The ground beneath him turns into grass. He looks up and sees a bright blue sky. He is no longer in a dark room, but in the past. Ancient times, the land of the pharaohs. John finds himself in ancient Egypt. He sees people wearing white robes, carrying baskets, and building a giant pyramid. The sun is hot, and the sand stretches as far as the eye can see. A young Egyptian boy walks up to him and says, "Are you lost, traveler?" John nods. "Where am I?" "You are in the land of the pharaohs. Come, I will show you." The boy takes John to a busy marketplace. People are selling fruits, jewelry, and beautiful fabrics. A woman is grinding wheat to make bread. A man is writing on a stone tablet with a reed pen. John watches in amazement. He has traveled back thousands of years. Suddenly, a strong wind blows, and everything fades away. The Middle Ages, castles, and knights. John opens his eyes again. This time he is standing in front of a huge castle. Knights in armor walk past him, carrying swords and shields. He can hear the sound of horses and people talking loudly. He enters the castle and sees a large dining hall filled with people eating, laughing, and listening to music. A man dressed as a king stands up and says, "Welcome to my castle. Tonight we feast." John sits down and tries medieval food, roast meat, fresh bread, and a large cup of water. The atmosphere is lively and exciting. But before he can finish his meal, the air shimmers again, and he is pulled into another time. The future, a world of technology. John is now in a completely different world. It is the future. Tall glass buildings stretch into the sky. Flying cars move smoothly above the streets. Robots walk alongside humans, carrying shopping bags and talking in metallic voices. A friendly robot greets him. "Welcome to the year 3024. How can I assist you?" John is amazed. This is incredible. Everything looks so advanced. He visits a floating cafe where people order food by pressing buttons on holographic screens. He sees a park where children are playing with virtual pets that change colors. Just as he starts to explore more, a bright light flashes. Everything turns white, and he feels himself being pulled back. Returning to the present, John wakes up in his bed. His heart is still racing. He looks around. He is back in his own time. Was it a dream? Or did he really travel through time? On his desk, he finds a small golden coin, something he brought back from the past. The journey was real. You've completed your journey through time. Whether you understood everything or not, don't worry. Consistent listening will improve your skills faster than you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more great content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments. Would you like longer listening videos? How long is the perfect duration for you? See you in the next video.